Naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel For the Love of Beauty. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're watching this video, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead, like, share, thumbs up this video. Let everybody know about your girl, Happy Dimples 39. I am in my closet getting ready to throw away some makeup brushes. So you guys, I do have a little desk here in my closet. I'm getting ready to throw away some makeup brushes so I can start using my new ones that I had for years, okay? Let me see what brushes I'm going to get rid of. Cause most of these are pretty old. You know, I have new ones that I got to start using. So these are my new brushes, and I have already did a review on them. If you can go back and, you know, watch my videos. Let me see. You know how you don't be wanting to mess up your new brushes, so you just keep on saving them and hoping one day you will use them. So these are more of my new brushes that I have never used, and these are my old brushes that I might well just go ahead and get rid of. Let me see, more of my old brushes. Now some I'm going to keep, now some I have done thrown away. Now these, let me see which one I'm going to keep. Because I got to start using my new brushes, y'all. Should I throw away this? It's still good. Still good. And this is my other stippling brush. Keep this. And I got two of these too. See, so I'm going to keep these. I think I'm going to keep this one. Cause I think it's, yeah, I'm gonna have to put some super glue on here because it's loosening up the handle. But I'm going to throw away, let's see, these small. I'm gonna keep this one. Okay. Okay, these are the brushes I'm going to keep from my old stash. This, let me see. These are really paint brushes that I'm going to show you. Paint brushes. Okay, this is still good. I'm going to keep this one. I'm going to throw away this one. This is a shiny eye brush, which I'm going to throw away. This is a Soho eyeshadow brush, and it's still good. I'm gonna keep this one. And these are the Dollar Tree brushes. They're old, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw these away. Let's see. Going to throw away. Going to throw away. Throw away. I don't too much use fan brushes anyway. Throw away. Going to keep this. This is more of a concealer brush. These two goes together. I didn't get them by set, so I'm gonna keep these. Let's see, I think I'm going to keep this one. I'm going to throw away. Because if I don't throw them away, they will never get thrown away. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of... This is supposed to be a smoky. I just may keep this one because this is more of a sponge at the end. So I'm going to keep this one. Like for a smoky eye look. Use it as, you know, to apply a smoky eye look. This is a little applicator that goes to one of my eyeshadow palettes. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this away. And these are... No, this was one of my eyebrow shavers. So I'm going to throw this away. It's old. This I'm going to throw away. Going to throw away, and I just may keep this one. Okay. Okay, let's see. I'm going to keep this one. I'm going to keep this one. Okay, these two goes together, but I did not get them in a set. Like I said, I think there are paint brushes. And I'm going to keep this one. This is a little small tip for eyeliner. Okay, I'm going to keep this one. I want to keep the odd ones. And I think this is more of a lip brush, but I'm going to keep it. Spoolie, I'm going to keep. I think these are okay. I'm going to keep this one. Eyeliner brush. These are pretty good. I don't think I ever used these, so I'm going to keep them. Throw away. Dollar Tree brush. And this is another one of my paint brushes. So I'm going to keep this one as well. I'm going to keep this one. Never been used. I'm going to throw away. And I'm going to keep this one. I think this one came in a set, so I'm going to keep this one. Yes, it did come with a set. And let's see if I ever use this shaver. And I don't think I ever have. Okay, I'm going to keep this one. So you guys, this is it. I went and bought me some more eyeliners from Dollar Tree. This one is one. Another one like it. This is the other one. And one more that I got from the Dollar Tree. This one. I needed some eyeliners. that is it, you guys. This is just a random video that I just wanted to just show my face and, you know, and bring you guys a video. I haven't been too long, gotten off from work. I'm just trying to bring you more content. So you guys, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And don't forget to subscribe now. Go ahead, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And you guys, I'm going to come back to you again with me patching up a hole in my wall. This is my first time doing it, so you guys stay tuned for that video. Thank you all so much for watching. I just wanted to bring something to you guys tonight. Thank you so much for watching. I love each and every one of you, and don't forget that. Bye, y'all. Mwah.